Friends, this kitten is 24 days old. She is motherless. She is living in my mind lab. So she's is now she's like a friend. She knows each and everything over here. Since she is motherless, I am taking care. Otherwise, she is going to die. So nobody is there to take care. I usually see the best possible way to give her little comfort with food and little shelter. That is what exactly I have been doing. But meantime, I could see that human animal kind of a bonding that sees just 24 days, but her maturity level probably I could see that is more than human. I told in many videos that part. Her learning capabilities, just she is now at office. I'm going to uh, give her a song. That song's probably she doesn't have mother. Okay, I want to see her impact. What she does at the end of the day to the song.
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high.
Let me see.
And dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never, ever end. How I'd love to dance with my father again. Ooh. When I
Well, she doesn't have father nor mother. She's playing with me. It is some kind of very amazing thing. But I have noticed few things. My purpose is not telling to give her a little exposure to songs. Probably I have few more songs. Probably I want to give her little maybe understanding of little music. Probably sense. Let's play this song.
সারে গামা কারবা মিনি রবীন্দ্রসঙ্গীত।
Let's play this song. It's a Tagore song. It's a bit too slow. Now it is talking about loneliness. This cat is also feeling lonely, probably alone. Let's see. Now she's playing. I had given her something.
দেখিতে দেখিতে নূতন আলোকে কে দিল রচিয়া ধ্যানের পুলকে দেখিতে দেখিতে নূতন আলোকে।
Okay, this song is now repeating. I told Rabindra Sangeet only two lines is enough to understand what Rabindranath wants to convey. The other song, let me try something else. Uh, let's say this is related to play. Let's say this is whether she has any impact with this sound or not. She's just playing. It's morning, no. After having little milk, she's playing. Hello. This is a nice song for you. This is a nice song, beautiful song for you. See, look. This is a very beautiful song. Tagore has written. You want to play? This Tagore has written for you only. Hello friend. Listen. Just see. Well, it is talking about lot of things. This song is Tagore's song. My purpose is not to get into those emotional song. My purpose was little different, and that animals, like I talked about. I have one more video. I have done a lot of experiment. This cat is living with me for last 10-12 days. She's familiar with me like anything. She comes and sits and occupy my bed, my office space, everything. She knows where to go for urination, for whatever biological activities. She knows absolutely fine. She doesn't have any problem. But sometime I could see when she tries to attack me and target my legs. That is what I feel. She is not able to understand me properly. That is what I feel. She usually feels those legs are kind of a prey. That is the object probably. Every time she targets leg and tries to bite me, that is what it is. She will target me. She will target like anything probably. If I see, she will target and attack. Like human, I gave you the exposure towards the all poetry and other things or the songs. It is humans probably, they see that human being as a whole. She is not able to understand. She feels my leg is a kind of a target and object. Sometime I have gone through a lot of literature. It talks about it is because of love and affection they come. I have little doubt over here. It is not love and affection. They use their basic instinct for targeting the living object. That is the thing. That is the thing probably I feel. Okay, love and affection is there probably. That is one part. Beyond that, she's hiding here. Now I want her to come out and see her natural basic instinct that she should exercise, and she is going to exercise that part probably. I know she is going to do that. She will be doing and targeting those my legs. That is what I feel. Let's see. Now you can clearly see she's targeting my legs. She will be coming and jumping. Just wait for a minute. I have seen her. She might be doing all kind of exercise. I really do not know from where she has learned all those things. Where she has learned all those things. Now you can see my body movement. Now she is trying to, it's not playing. She is thinking that my leg size is little bigger than this size. Now you can see her. She's trying to capture. It is like, tiger and all kind of uh, cats and all. They have the jumping attitudes to attack. See how she's targeting, how she's biting. So this cat group is like having the same activities in, like if you see a leopard or a tiger and a lion and all, they are the same in nature. I told many times that animals, right? The animals are their instinct. Like there is one say, বন থেকে জানোয়ার তোলা যায়, জানোয়ারের মন থেকে বন তোলা যায় না. So you can bring a lion or any wild animal at home, take them as a pet, but their basic instinct, that is what I was trying to tell, you cannot erase them. So a tiger, whatever treatment you give them at home, or a lion for that matter, leopard, you cannot make or rely upon, right? You cannot trust 100% that they are not going to behave or exercise their normal basic instinct. বন্ধুরা, আমরা যেটা বলতে চাইছি, যে আমি যেটা বাংলাতে বললাম, বন থেকে জানোয়ার তুলে আনা যায়, কিন্তু জানোয়ারের মন থেকে বন তুলে আনা যায় না। জানোয়ার হয় সেটা হচ্ছে ওর নলেজ অ্যান্ড উইজডাম যতদূর পর্যন্ত এক্সারসাইজ করা যায়, একটা সার্টেন লেভেল পর্যন্ত এদেরকে পোষ মানানো যায়, কিন্তু এদের বেসিক ইনস্টিংক্ট যেটা আছে সেগুলো ওরা এক্সারসাইজ করবে। বাড়িতে বাঘ পোষা, লায়ন পোষা, or kind of a reptile people are keeping, they know how to exercise their ultimate thing. She is just 24 days old kitten. Many times he has taken a very kind of a drastic step, as if my legs are like a kind of a rat or something like that object. I don't know from where she has learned all those things, but she knows it is, because I told she is motherless, she is not exposed to environment and environmental factors for a longer time. But it is inbuilt genetical properties probably. I feel she knows all those things, how to do this exercise. Now you can see her. She is practicing. At night time I could see her 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. She will come to my bed. She will force me to switch on the light. So after that she will play here and there. Then she will have milk to drink. Now she is practicing her survival kit. That is the prey, how to attacks the rats and other things. She knows one day she has to move out probably. People talked about so much love cat is having, those things are there, but their wildness is there. That is what I want to expose over here. They're the basic instinct, the wildness, the killer instinct, that is what I was trying to talk about. They don't differentiate between rat and human. I told you that she's not recognizing, she feels probably my legs are different, it is not part of my body, she's treating in a different object altogether over here. That is what I feel. And every time she targets, if I move my leg little bit, she will target and come and bite like anything. Let's see what she does. Now she has got different objects. She's looking towards my leg. So she will get an opportunity to come over here. Well, cats are emotional. I do not deny all those qualities, but they never ever lose their basic instinct. My other animal house, what I have, that mine have 5 cats. If I don't offer them food, what they do? They will go out and exercise their basic instinct. If you offer or expose to foods, but now they are 4.5 months old, they are adult, but she is too small. Look at this, look at this, see what she is doing. Is this love and affection? There are so much published paper in international journal. Big scientists, they have worked on animal emotions. I have seen it. I don't see any love or affection. She's just exercising. She's just exercising her wild character, the basic instinct. That is what I was talking. If she is having that much character, people writing about so much emotions involved. Emotions. I again telling these emotions are there. Every living objective having little bit emotions. That is because of we provide them food, shelter, many other things. That's why this attachment is coming into the picture. I have a different opinion. Probably I'm not drawing any kind of conclusion. I'm only telling their animal instinct uh, and are much more prominent over here. If I give, they might have 10-15% love or affection because they know they have to occupy this, they have to live, and she probably might be knowing her circumstances also. Maybe I really do not know whether she knows about she's motherless or anything or not, but I could see when other cat comes, she's very defensive. That means she knows kind of protection also, and she's in her own right. She feels the place where she's living. She's not allowing others to come. Also, that is one part I want to tell, and I have many things to also talk about this little kitten probably. So sometimes she comes at my bed and sleeps on my head, my chest, my neck, wherever she feels. She doesn't like to sleep alone because she's feeling little loneliness probably because nobody is living. She only sees some living objective there. Whether she understand I'm human being, probably she's thinking somebody is helping me, providing food or something like that. That might be one of the reason. Probably she doesn't have the sense who is human being or something like that. So if anybody is helping, probably she will be happy to receive that kind of part. Here my intention or my entire thing is to exercise. She is exercising fully her animal instinct, the killer instinct. That is what I want to tell over here. Is nothing emotional about it. So all the songs I have given to her are probably she doesn't understand the meaning of all those songs. Maybe later on she will realize some musical thing. Once again, thank you very much for hearing this small video. Bye bye. Take care.